Hi, welcome to Mikey Toons. Today we're going to draw June from Little Einsteins. Grab your marker and follow along with me. We're going to start about the middle of the page and we're going to draw the eyes. We're going to draw just the bottom part of the eyes. You're going to draw two curvy lines, then the top part of the eye. All the way around. And on the top part of the eye, we're going to draw two eyelashes. The eyelashes on this side, and we'll do the same thing on this side as well. All the way around, maybe three eyelashes sticking out. Then it's time for the irises. So you're going to draw an iris in each eye. Light reflections. One on top, one below. We're going to do the same thing on the other eye, two light reflections, and then the pupil. And then the pupil in the other eye as well. Now it's time to fill the pupils in. Now let's fill the eyelashes in as well. Right above the eye, we're going to draw the fringe. We're going to make a nice curve going out, and just below that take another curve. You're going to make it round like that as well. Then two straight lines down on both sides of the eye, and we're going to make two little block shapes going back. Then right above the eye, I'm going to draw two eyebrows. Gonna make it nice and thin. Then right between the two eyes, we're gonna draw a little button nose. And below that, a little smile off to the side. I'm gonna make two dots next to the eye, which is an indicator line for my jaw. And I'm gonna draw a nice curve. Then right beside the bar of the jaw, you're going to draw two circles. These are going to be earrings. Now from this box to the earring, and from this box to the earring. And this is going to be our ears. And we're just going to connect there at the bottom. And you're just going to make two little lines inside for the ears. And there we got the ears. Now we have to continue with the hair. So we're going to start here on the fringe. I'm going to draw a curved line over. And I'll draw a little fringe like this. On top of that there's a hairband. So you're going to draw a nice hairband on top. And now for the top part of the head. Bring it back to the ear and don't touch the ear, stop just a bit away from the ear, make another indicator line, and we're going to do the same thing here as well. Now we're going to continue with the hair, and we're going to connect the hair to the chin, to the bottom of the chin. We're going to copy this pattern on this side as well. There we got the hair in the face of June. That's perfect. Now for the body. We're going to draw a body. You're going to do the two sides of the torso. Stop right there. And now you're going to connect it with a light curve downwards. Then we're going to draw another line on top, which is going to be the belt area. And now we're going to draw a dress. You're going to draw sort of a bell shape. So you're going to make two curves on both sides. And now we're going to connect these curves with a zigzag line. We're going back to the arms and we're going to keep it simple. 2 curves down and a little ball at the bottom to show the hands. For the legs, so I'm going to measure and I'm going to sort of make a curve and mark where you want your legs to begin, and there we got 2 legs. We're going to draw the feet now. There's 1 foot, but first finish this side of the leg and bring it up in the middle. On this side we're going to do the same thing. And there's the other foot. And now for the shoe. Make it an open shoe because it's a ballet shoe. And then straps for this ballet shoe. On the other foot. Great, and there's June. Now you can look at my pictures and you can try to match the colors and color June in. I'm sure June will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. And please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.